Aloha everyone, welcome to KTA Kitchens. This is Chef Maka Kwon, and today we're going to do akule with nampla. So let's get to our ingredients. We got the fish, we got the salt, we got the pepper, we got some cooking spray, we got some fish sauce, we got some red wine vinegar, some limes, soy sauce, maybe 5, maybe 10 chili peppers, up to you, some chopped green onions, lemongrass, that I'm going to show you how to break down a little bit later, some brown sugar, all right? Let's cook. I cleaned my fish earlier, but just in case you never cleaned fish before, this is how you should do it. Do it over your sink, of course. Grab a spoon and scale your fish. Clean it, scale it really good. All underneath the back of the fins and the top of the fish, and then of course the other side. With a nice sharp knife, cut your fish open. Just a little bit, only the front to the akule part, okay? Really simple. Open your fish, take out the gills and the guts. Throw that away. Rinse your fish off. When your fish is done, it should be like this, nice and clean. And it's ready to be cooked, of course. All right, now let's make our sauce. This is the lemongrass. I don't know if none of you guys use lemongrass, but it's very easy because we cut off the end and maybe about a couple inches in the middle. We want to just roll everything out. See all these outside husks? We just want to take it all out. So in the middle, there's a nice, very tender part, and that's what we really want. Okay. And then when I get to this point, I just cut it really small. And which I have, just like this. I don't know if you guys can see that, right here. Now, very simple with our sauce, guys, is grab our ingredients and put them together. Now, like, if you don't want too much soy sauce, you don't have to put too much because it's really salty, so you can put a little bit. And if you don't want too much vinegar, because it's very vinegary, you can put a little bit. Same with the fish sauce and the chili peppers. Very simple, guys. Green onions in, brown sugar, and of course, a lot of lime juice. And then when all this is done, we can set overnight. We leave it in the refrigerator for about a week if we want. And we can use it on anything. Besides fish, we can use it on fried chicken, whatever we want to do, okay? But we gotta make sure we mix it good. Mix it really good. Let's heat up our grill so we can cook our fish, all right? Got it? Cool. All right, guys, our sauce is finished. Our fish is ready to grill. Our grill is hot. And if you don't have a grill, you can put it in the oven. You can put it in a frying pan. But I got a grill. More better. Anyways, salt, pepper, both sides. Salt, pepper, both sides. And this is where the spray comes in handy, so it doesn't stick to the grill. And simple, right on top of the grill. And it will be about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Do yourself a favor, don't touch them, because if you touch it now, you'll tear off the skin. Let it go, all right? We'll be back to flip it, show you guys how to do it. Oh, I don't know if you guys can smell this, but I love fish. We're gonna flip it. Nice grill marks, look at that. Oh, it's good, looks good. Another 4 or 5 minutes on this side, we'll be ready to eat it, all right? Cool. Oh guys, fish is done. My beer is right here, I'm ready to go. Well, anyways, hey, this is our nampla that we made earlier, the green onions, lemongrass, chili peppers, right on top of the fish, just like this. Just finish it off, and you know what? You want more, you can put more. Guys, it smells good, it looks good. If you want this recipe and any other recipe that we made today, KTASuperstores.com/recipes. Chef Maka saying, thank you for your time. I'll see you later. Oh man, look at that. Whoo, steaming. Oh, chili peppers, lemongrass, fish sauce. Dynamite. Hey, Chef Maka, see you later. Thank you.